Hi everyone, welcome to Play Drums the easy way. Our last video we were actually looking at some Caribbean beats. I know that we have already gone through reggae. We started looking at soca and we started off with mentor and we went all the way up. So today we want to continue, along those lines and also look at some other stuff at the same time. So I think this was where we left off. 1, 2, 3. So thank you so much for joining. All right, remember to place your comments. All right, subscribe, like, and let's keep the vibes going. Yeah.